In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the upload and download bandwidth limits for the Dropbox desktop app on either Windows or Mac OS. This is a handy adjustment you can make if you ever find your internet usage getting bogged down while Dropbox is in the midst of syncing large files. First things first, we need to open the Dropbox desktop app. Depending on your operating system, you'll either be doing this from the system tray on Windows or the menu bar on a Mac. Once you have the Dropbox app open, click on the Dropbox icon that you'll see there. This will take you directly to the main interface of the app, serving as your gateway to all the settings you need. Next, you'll want to navigate toward your profile section. To do this, look for your avatar. If you have a profile picture set, it will be displayed there. Otherwise, you'll just see your initials. Click on this avatar, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Preferences. This is where you can control many aspects of your Dropbox experience, including the network settings we're focusing on today. In the Preferences window, look for a tab titled Network or Bandwidth. The exact wording might vary slightly with different versions, and it could sometimes be labeled as Network Bandwidth. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in this tab, you will be greeted with options related to bandwidth management. Now, you might notice a setting that says something like Custom Bandwidth or Limit Download/Upload Rate. This is the setting that allows you to control how much bandwidth Dropbox is allowed to use for uploading and downloading files. If you see an option like Don't Limit, this means that Dropbox is currently managing your bandwidth automatically. For most people, allowing Dropbox to manage this automatically works just fine, but if you're finding that file transfers are hogging too much of your internet, you can make adjustments here. To take control manually, you'll want to toggle on the option to specify your own limits. This will allow you to type in the upload and download rates, typically in kilobytes per second or kbs. Adjust these numbers according to your needs. Lower numbers will limit the bandwidth and can help you keep other internet uses running smoothly. Once you've entered your desired limits, there's just one final step: making sure to save your settings. Look for buttons labeled as Apply or OK. Clicking these will ensure that the changes you've made take effect immediately. And there you have it. You've now learned to regulate Dropbox syncing speeds on your computer effectively. This small tweak can make a significant difference, especially in a shared internet environment or if you're trying to work around a connection with limited bandwidth. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more useful tech tips.